Good morning everyone. I'm Muktada Nambu. I'm Delhi to Tokyo ki ahanba video, the first video where I'll be traveling all the way from Delhi to Tokyo. And right now I'm here in Vasant Kunj, a place in Delhi, and I will be going to a place in Gurgaon. Gurgaon ki mafam mada ai chachagani ado ngasi se Nipun Foundation na kogi wheelchair da chatpa masu. He is also a differently able person, so he'll be doing once again the flag off, a second flag off. Ngarang sina Madam Dipa Malik na taubani. Ado ay ngarang se video di namja hodre flag off ki charang tawing da. Aduga ngasi ki flag off siga aduga tawraga ay si hayeng hasi paubadi Delhi de lai idong male at least 2 to 3 days I'll be here in Delhi because 20th we have a program and I don't know like how far I'm going to soon leave Delhi. I can't guarantee. So hajik ija banana shake haga da changshin ge tawbane koi Gurgaon na changshin ge tawbane. So I dum hare makata na dum tawjarake ai se mai di GoPro ju leibane dubu sijina hai ba khara wali du na horen ta sadana sijina ba hai ga da horen ko GoPro je ba no paike. So adum ai update tawjar adu kadaw re ba to we are ba. Okay, this is my PR team. She's Rizna and she's from Khonjel. And this guys would be managing the whole campaign, and like my duty is only to write and the management's there and she's going to manage everything. So yeah, this are our team. Hoji akhone leijari ba si building awang amagi makha da ni naming hairo naming ro Famani is from Manipur dai ni loi khang ani sida kai wai dai no haiba ni yum do Kenuti, chikai nang di. Chikon lagi. Naming galay pang ba? Like from the Punglay Delhi. Okay. So it's my brother, like Ming and ROHAN. And you're from?
I'm from Manipur.
Why in Rush, brother? Okay, you're from?
I'm Alfred. I'm
one of you want to come that side?
Said the reason why you're getting this close from this is not the first time I'm telling you when I sing this song that they have close from, because like I'm singing this not just for singing side, but I'm just trying to sense and feel everything that I've experienced in my life, and I'm trying to impart the lessons that I have gone through this song. So many times when I go and sing this song, it's a kind of like there's a special incident in Bible. I'm not making a religious thing. There is a chord when David plays, then King Saul will hear this song, and every kind of bad incidents flee from this song. So it's a kind of like same song that I'm liberating everyone's life. So I hope everyone's listening to this song. Thank you so much.
You're back from Japan.
So,
I was asking my bag. No, it's okay, fine. Khonjel Nipun Foundation da flag off tawba loire. Adoi moi am harau hore, khoisu harau hore, ani mok loi harau hore. Akoi entire team is here to eat Maggie and refreshment. Akoi boss sile. Boss. CEO, yes. So hojik akoi je pa amda changani du the posai kai khara yengtho sin tawnarani. Ai Delhi di thalok khiroi khara laina gi duri sida. Ado yenga akoi je date 2021 for the program le ani. So guys, now we are here at Kai Park. Oh, Gurgaon ki kaya no 30 kaya no ki park amdalay. So this my whole team, and I have introduced them before. So like we are all done for today. We had a very amazing flag off in Nipun Sir's Nipman Foundation here in Gurgaon, and we are all set tomorrow to go for a meeting in Shada University again. So today is our day 2, and it won't have been possible without these amazing guys, and I'm so thankful mainly to our I would introduce the Khonjel team to you guys. Regina, we have Tampa here, the capper, we have team, we have Chinghai. So we will be together again going tomorrow to Sharda University for the meeting. Probably we have another interview with Thomas, right? So stay tuned guys. So I'll update the video again once I reach Sabdarja again. So it's a long way, about like 24 kilometers, and these guys would be traveling by metro cab. So I'm traveling by my second. So see you guys.